Hi folks, welcome to Human Sexual Behavior, the exciting online version. So you might be wondering what to expect today from this course for the rest of the term. Well, let's get started and find out. So today we'll talk about introductions. This little video here I'll introduce myself, and hopefully soon you'll get to introduce yourselves. This week also you'll want to go over the course outline and find out what's expected of you and what to expect from the course. And there's also a video that I'll be showing you on studying human sexuality. And then finally, before you leave the module, you'll go to the Things to Do checklist, and once you can check everything on that list, you are done, Module 1. All right, so to begin, this is my mom. Isn't she lovely? This is me. This is my first teddy. My mom still has my first teddy, only he no longer has any fur, whereas I am now a great deal furrier than I used to be. I was born here in Halifax, but I grew up in Dartmouth. Yes, the land across the bridge. I went to school here and went to university at Mount St. Vincent. Yes, I know it is the rival school. Here I majored in psychology, and for my honors I worked with Dr. Maria Gurevich on interviews she had done talking to women living with AIDS. It was the first time I realized that you could study people by talking to them. After graduating from the Mount, I did my master's and my PhD at the University of Calgary. I studied in the History and Theory program, did research in things like how we develop autobiographical memories, how graduate students talk about feminism, and did my dissertation on how women in non-traditional occupations talk about their bodies. This picture in the corner is a sculpture in front of the psychology building, which I think is meant to represent the pages of a book flapping in the wind, but we on the university called it the Great Prairie Chicken, and I thought you might like to see that. I taught several courses at Mount Royal University in Calgary. In fact, I think I did a lot of learning how to teach there, which hopefully will benefit you. And then I eventually came home to Halifax to marry my wife Carolyn and teach here at St. Mary's. Now